Hello children, now second class mathematics, fourth chapter. It is our chapter now, fourth chapter. In previous chapter 2, what we learned? Numbers with 3 digits. You all know children, 3 digits? You all members learning that numbers? Yes, okay. Now take out children textbook, page number 46. Page number 46, open it children. Now in that page 2, page number 46, fourth chapter. What is our chapter here? Comparing 3-digit number. Comparing 3-digit numbers. See. Say spelling COMPARING. Comparing. THRE 3. DIGIT digit. NUMBERS numbers. Comparing 3-digit numbers. See here children. First bit. Here having. Yes, you observe children. Look at the notes and coins. Look at the notes and coins. Say which are of more value and which are of less value. So here notes given, coins also given children. So which one is more, which one is less? You observe it children. Here observing, okay. What happened here? One day Rangamma and Sitamma. Rangamma and Sitamma sold vegetables. Two members are selling vegetables. Sold vegetables at the weekly market. At the where sold? In weekly market. They got the following notes and coins shown under their names. Who earned more? Who earned more? See here. Her name is Rangamma. See how many notes and how many coins she earning. Observing here. Here what she earning? 100 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes and this coin 1 rupee coins. Okay. See, observe children here. How many 100 rupees notes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 400 rupees. 400 rupees means 4 in hundreds place, right children? 4 in hundreds place. So how many tens having here? 10 rupees notes only children this? Yes? This is the 10 rupees notes. How many 10 rupees notes are there here? How many 10 rupees are earning the Rangamma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 notes. So 5 tens means how much children? 5 tens. 5 tens means 15. Previous class 2 we are already learning only. 5 tens means 50. So write in 5 in tens place. Okay. Here 400. You write this like only. Here 50 rupees. How many 1 rupees are there? 1, 2. 2 in 1's place. So in before only you are already learning children. 400 plus 50 plus 2. How much? 452. So Rangamma earned how much? So she earned 452 rupees. So this is the Rangamma's money. Yes. Now again one woman is also there. So her name is Sitamma. So she is how many rupees she earning? See, now we'll count. 100 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes and coin, 1 rupee coin also. See here, how many hundreds are she earning? 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds. 3 hundreds. How many? 3 hundreds means 300. So write in 3 in hundreds place. So how many tens are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many tens having? 8 tens. 8 tens means 8 tens. 80. Yes children, 80. So write 8 in tens place. Next, how many 1 rupees she earning now? Only 1. So 1 in ones place. So the number is 300 rupees plus 80 rupees plus 1 rupee. 381. 381 rupees she earning. Okay, Sitamma. Observe children, write all of you. Okay, now next one, next page children, page number 47. Page number 47. In 452, there are 4 hundreds. In 452, there are 4 hundreds. In 381, there are 3 hundreds. There are 3 hundreds. In 452, there are 4 hundreds. In 381, there are 3 hundreds. See here, 300 is less than 400 rupees. So it means Rangamma earned more. Who is earning more? Rangamma earned more. 300 is less than to 400 only. So 381 is less than 452. That is 381 less than, greater than 381 less than 452. So 452 is more than 381. 452 is greater than. Observe children, this symbol is less than. Less than. This symbol is greater than. GREATERTHAN. Greater than. Are you understand children? Less than. LESSTHAN. Less than. GREATER. Greater than. Okay. Next one. On another day, Rangamma and Sitamma sold vegetables. And another day also they are sold vegetables. And they got the following notes and coins. How much was earned by each of them? So Rangamma earned 100, 200. How many 100 rupees notes children? So Rangamma earning. This side is Rangamma, this side is Sitamma. Rangamma how many? 1, 2, 200. 200. How many 10? 110. So how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So here how much Rangamma earning? 200 plus 10 plus 6. Hundreds place 2, ones place 1 only having. 1 means 110. So 6 ones. 216. So Rangamma earned 216 rupees. Another day. So Sitamma, how much she earned? Now let's count it. So how many 100 rupees notes is there? 200 rupees notes. 200 rupees notes means how much, children? 200. How many 10 rupees? 1 10 rupees. How many 1 rupee coins? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 coins. So here also same, I think. 200 plus 10 plus 6. 216. Are you observing, children? See here. Here also Rangamma also earned 200 rupees. Sitamma also earned 200 rupees. Same. Next she also earned 10 rupees. She also earned 10 rupees. She also earned 6 rupees. She also earned 6 rupees. So total 216 rupees. Rangamma earned 216 rupees. Sitamma earned 216 rupees. So it means they earned equally. 216 equals to 216. Are you understand? Okay. Now next page. Page number 48. Open it, children. See here, children. Next page. Page number 48. In page number 48 too. Look at the notes and coins shown below. Say which are more and which are less. Here which are more, which are less. So the note is not clear only in textbook too. My video is clear only. Okay, children? That note is clear, not clear. In 100 rupees notes. This like only having in your textbook too also, this like only having, children. Are you observe? So here, how many 100 rupees having in that? 354 is given? Yes. So 354. 300 means 300 rupees notes. So means 300 notes means 300. 54 only. 50 means how much? 5 tens. 5 tens. So 10 rupees notes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10 rupees. And 1 rupees 4. 4 1 rupee coins. 4 1 rupee coin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1 rupee coins. So 354. See here now. Here 321. Same 100 rupees place. Same only. Here 300, here 300. So how many hundreds? 300 rupees notes. 300 rupees notes will take in. And 2 10 rupees notes. Why 2 10 rupees notes? Here 2 tens only 20. 20 means 2 tens. 2 10 rupees notes and 1 rupee coin. So 1 only? Yes. So in 354 and 324 there are equal number of hundreds. See here, in equal number only. Here 3, here 3. Where in hundreds place is equal. But here this 54 and 21. So now let us observe the tens. Here 5 having, here 2 having. Which number is big? 5 is big. So 354 there are 5 tens. 321 to 2 tens. So there are more tens in which number to having more tens? This. 354 then 321. So therefore 354 is a bigger. 354 is a bigger. This one only bigger. We say 354 is bigger than 321. So we are writing this like only 354 greater than 321. 354 is greater than 321. In the same manner, 321 is less than, the symbol is less than 354. I am before only saying, children, this is the bigger than or less, greater than. This one less than. Okay, are you observed, children? 354 is bigger than 321. 321 is less than 354. Okay. Which number is big? That side only. This one keep. Okay. Next one. Next topic. Next also is there in third bit. In next class I will explain an exercise problem and this also next will explaining it. Okay, children.